In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix how to turn off automatic pop-up. If you have a pop-up on your Wix website that appears automatically and you want to stop it from showing on a specific page, this is a very simple change you can make directly inside the Wix editor. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to your Wix website dashboard and open the site you want to edit. From there, enter the Edit Site section so you can access your page content and design settings. This is where you'll be able to manage how your pop-up behaves across different parts of your website. Once you're inside the editor, locate your pop-up on the page. Click on the pop-up to select it. Make sure the pop-up itself is selected because this will reveal the controls and settings connected to that specific element. If you have more than one pop-up on your site, take a second to confirm you've clicked the correct one before moving on. After selecting the pop-up, look toward the top for the gear icon and click it. The gear icon opens the settings for that pop-up, which is where Wix lets you control when and where it appears. This is the key area you'll be using to turn off the automatic display on certain pages. Inside the settings, click on the option for the pop-up display settings. In this section, you'll find the page selection area that controls where the pop-up is allowed to appear. You should see a list of pages connected to your site. Now simply uncheck the page where you do not want the pop-up to appear automatically. By removing that check mark, you are telling Wix not to display that pop-up on that page anymore. This is useful if the pop-up makes sense on some pages like a home page or promotional page, but feels unnecessary or distracting on others. Once you've unchecked the page you want to disable, that's it. The pop-up will no longer automatically show on that page. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other pages where you want to turn it off. As a quick tip after making the change, it's a good idea to preview your site and test the page to confirm the pop-up no longer appears there. That way you can be sure the setting was applied correctly before publishing or updating your site. And that's how to turn off an automatic pop-up in Wix.